In this tutorial, we'll show you how to configure the social settings in the Yoast SEO plugin. Setting up our profiles will inform search engines which social media profiles are associated with our WordPress site. We'll also introduce you to the Social tab that is featured in the Post Editor, which allows us to preview what our following will see when sharing our article on Facebook or Twitter. From this tab, we can customize our featured image, title, and description. Let's begin by navigating to the Social Settings menu by going to SEO from the left side navigation menu and clicking Social. We'll start with the Accounts tab. Here, we can enter in the information for each of our social media profile accounts. Now that our profile information is entered, search engines will be informed that these social media profiles are associated with our website. We can also customize our settings for Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, and Google+. Let's start with the Facebook tab. The first option is to enable or disable Open Graph Metadata. The Open Graph protocol enables our website to become a rich object in a social graph, giving it the same functionality as any other objects on Facebook and other platforms using the same protocol. For this to happen, basic metadata needs to be added to our page. So as long as this option is enabled, the Yoast plugin will take care of this for us. Otherwise put, it will add the required code Facebook needs to share the image, title, and description when sharing a page or post. The only time we want this option disabled is if we are using another social media plugin that outputs Open Graph metadata. By default, the Yoast plugin will use the featured image on a page or post. We can assign a default image that will be used if our page or post is missing a featured image. Lastly, the Yoast SEO plugin includes a Facebook Insights feature that provides us with additional statistics about our website inside our Facebook account. In order for this to work, we need to add our admin account, which can be done by clicking the Add Facebook Admin button while logged in to our Facebook account. The Twitter tab features a similar metadata option, so we want to keep this enabled. We can also specify the default card to use by selecting from either the Summary or a Summary with a large image option. Pinterest uses the same Open Graph metadata as Facebook. We don't need to do anything here since it is already enabled on the Facebook tab. If we haven't yet, we can confirm our website with Pinterest. This can easily be done in the Account Settings screen of our Pinterest account, so we can skip this step. In the Google Plus tab, we have the option to add our Google Plus Page for Business URL. The Yoast plugin includes an awesome social feature that is built into the Page and Post Editor. In the Yoast window pane beneath the WordPress visual editor, click on the social icon below the traffic light, which is the icon for the Content and SEO Optimization tool. This section features two tabs, one for Facebook and one for Twitter. Here, we can preview what our page or post will look like when shared. The default image is the featured image of our page or post, but we can change it by clicking on the Upload Image button and choosing a picture from our media gallery or uploading one from our computer. We can override the default title tags by entering our own custom title here. And if we don't want to use the default meta description when sharing the post, we can enter in a custom description. These same three options are available for Twitter.